Hello there and welcome to Linux S2, and in this video I will guide you how you can make your distro look like mine. So for the last few months I've been getting so many requests and some of you guys also emailing me on how they can make their distribution look like mine. So in this video I will be guiding you from start to end on making your distributions look amazing. I have already made few videos on this topic, but those videos are not doing justice. So this one is the updated one, and I will be not making my distro look like mine, but I will be guiding you on how you can make your distributions look like mine. So I will be giving you some tools and files that you can use to make your distributions look like mine and to change it completely. So we will be starting from the basic, and the basic is installing some tools that you will require. So the first tool that you will need is this Gnome tweak tool. So if you are using Gnome desktop environment, then you can install it. I will be linking a video on how to install this tool in your system. So this tool will be used to change the theme and to tweak some of the settings from here. But if you are using any different desktop environment like Cinnamon or Mint that comes with Mate, I think, then you will not be able to use this tool because they have a different desktop environment. But they comes with an inbuilt settings application, and that application has all these settings inside it inbuilt. So you don't have to install any external tweaking tool for those desktop environments or different distributions. So if you are using desktop environment Gnome, then you have to install this tool. So after installing this tool, you can install this. This is Alvord. So Alvord is a kind of launcher. So you can type here. So you can simply press some key combination and it will show you this search bar. Here you can search for any application. For example, if I want to search BLC, it will give me BLC. I can hit enter and BLC will start. So this is a really handy tool, so you can install that. Then you have to configure your system if you're using Gnome desktop environment to be able to install extensions. So if I open up a browser, so this is Brave browser, and if I go to extensions Gnome, so this is a website where you can download Gnome extensions. So for that you have to set up your browser and your system so that they can install extensions, and that way you will be able to install this weather extension here, this timer extension, and these other extensions that you may need. So for that you have to install the extension in your system. So this is the extension that you have to install in your browser, and it may also require you to install a package. That way you will be able to install it. You will be able to install the extensions in your system. So this is the guide. Here you have to install this Chrome Gnome Shell package. So just run this command and install it. And if you are finding it difficult, then there is a video that you can watch. I will be showing the video link in the video, or you will also find the link in the description so that you can set up the Gnome extensions. Okay, so you have installed the tweak tool and Gnome extensions in your system. Now you have to get some files from the internet, files that you will use to change the look of your system. So I have already added the files in my system. So if I open up the file manager and hit Ctrl H, okay, so I'm going to start a tool here. So this tool known as screen, I think. Okay, so this is a screen key. So if I hit Ctrl H in my system, you can see I can see some hidden folders. So these folders that starts with dot, these are the hidden folders. Usually these folders are used for configurations and for system related files. Here you will find two folders. One is .theme folder and one is .icon folder. So if I search here .theme, so this is the .themes folder, and here is the .icon folder. So this is the folder here, icons. And if you don't have this folder, then simply create a new folder by these names. Just hit the plus button and create .icons folder and .themes folder. So inside the themes folder I have some themes here. For example, I have this theme Arches. So you have to install Arches theme, and I will be giving you link in the description so that you can download all these folders. So that will be an archive file. So just download it, extract it, and create this folder inside the home directory and paste those files in here. Then installing the theme, you have to add some icons as well. So this is the icons folder. So I have added 2 icon packs here. So one is Conta. So this is for these folder icons. So these folder icons that you are seeing here, the yellow ones, they are from this Conta theme, and these icons are from Gnome theme. So you have to install both of these, and I will be providing you a link in the description. That way you can install this theme here, and you will be downloading an archive file to add these folders in here. So these are the icon folders, and you are not able to see the Numix icons here because they are installed in my system for all users. So if I hit Ctrl H again to hide the folders, and if I go to the computers, and if I go to user, then share, inside this I can find icon. This is the folder, and here if you see, I have these icons installed here because I have added these icons using a repository. So you will get that repo in the description below, and that way you can install these icons. And do not worry that I'm just showing you what you have to do and I'm not showing you how to do it, because that process is really simple once you start doing it, and it's just like normal installing an application. So now what we have done, we have installed tool, this one, tweak tools. We have added this Albert launcher, and this is completely optional. If you don't want it, then you don't have to install it. I just have it, and you have also set up the Gnome extensions so that you can install any extension from this website if you're using Gnome desktop environment. For example, if you like this extension, just click on it and it will give you this icon here. Just click on it and it will start to install in your system. And this is giving me error because it is not compatible with this version of Gnome. So you will not be able to install some of the extensions, but most of them will work just fine. So these things are done. You will get the guide for these all things. Do not worry that I'm not showing you how to do it. You will get the guide in the description below. So just add the icons in the icons folder and add the themes in the themes folder. Then using this tweak tool, change the themes to the ones that I have described here. For example, this is orchid, that is select, but by default you are probably using the Yaru theme, that the new one that we are getting. So this is Yaru theme, so you probably using this theme here, but this doesn't look that amazing. So this is just an ordinary theme, but if you install the one that I have provided, then your distribution look like this. So this is way more better than the default one. So you can get the themes and you can set the themes using here. So this is the Orchis application theme, the Conta theme, and the cursor theme also. There is a cursor theme. So this is Bivata Ice, I think, and you will get the link to this theme as well, and you have to paste that cursor theme inside the icons folder, not the themes folder. So I have it installed here. So this is Bivata Ice. So this is for cursor only. So you can add these themes in your system. Then you need some extensions, as I said. So you can install this extension, and the extension, for example, this is for your internet speed. For example, if I open the browser and if I type fast.com, and this will check my internet speed. So you will be able to see the internet download and upload speed here. So that is really nice. And the other extensions that I have here. Then this is a widget. So this is added using the Conky manager. So you have to install the Conky manager. So this is Conky manager, and this allows you to have these kind of widgets. So there are so many widgets here. For example, if I click on this MIUI, so this is MIUI widget. So it's not working fine. There is some problem with the widget, but you will be able to use widgets like these. So here we go. I have just changed the transparency. So this is a widget. So you can install this application. Guide will be in the description. I will also provide a video on how to install Conky manager in your system. And after installing Conky manager, you will not get that many of the widgets, and for that there will be a link in the description. So you have to download an archive file for the widgets, and this one is a custom widget, so you will not get any widgets look like this, but I have customized it, and I will be providing you the files for this widget here. So this one is let me check the name of this widget. So this is Conky RC. So this is MXLSD. So if I go to Conky folder, so inside here if you search Conky, so this is the .conky folder. and here if you search for lmxlst, so this is the folder, and here is the file. So I have made this custom frame, so I will be giving the link in the description for this frame, and I have also this psd file, so you can open this psd file in the Photoshop or in the GIMP, and you can customize this png file the way you want. And for example, if you don't like the circles, you can make them square or triangular form, so the frame will change, and you will get these files in the description below as well. So that way you will be able to add this widget here. So far we have covered 4-5 applications. So this one is tweak tool, then a Conky manager, then Albert, and this is the extension that we have. And now we will be able to make the distro look like mine. So if you install the themes, then the distro will look like this. If you install the icon theme, then icons will look like this. If you install the folder icon theme, then it will look like this. If you install Conky manager, this will look like this. And if you added the Albert, then you will get this search bar here as well. So we have pretty much accomplished the whole scenario, but one thing that really missing right now is the wallpaper. So you need a good wallpaper so that your distro can look good, and theme can really look amazing if you have a good wallpaper behind. For example, the wallpaper behind is really making the dark color appear much more than any other ordinary wallpaper. So you have to have some kind of wallpaper collection, and that collection you can download using the link given in the description, because I will be providing all the wallpapers, these all wallpapers that I have collected so far, so that you can use them in your system, because there are a few wallpapers that go with the design really well. So this one is one of them, so you can install these wallpapers as well in the system. So I have covered pretty much everything on how you can make your distro look amazing. So that's it in this video. I hope this video helped you in some way so that you can customize your distributions the way you want. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button as well. Let me know what you think about this guide in the comment section below, and if you are having any issue, then don't hesitate to ask. You can email me, you can message me on Twitter, you can comment in the comment section below. So that was all.